Your business goals are your stepping stone to success. So set up your goals no matter how small it is. Be specific, wag yung general. So ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng be specific? Meaning, for example, for this quarter, for the coming 3 to 4 months, okay, ano ba yung goal mo? How much yung dapat na sales mo? Is it 5,000 a month? Is it 10,000 a month? And then ano ba yung nasa menu mo? 1 or 2 items, 1 to 3 items, para ma-identify mo for the first 2, 3 months kung ano yung mabenta for you at huwag ka muna mag-focus para malaman mo ano talaga yung best selling for you. And the third, how would you want to promote it? By word of mouth ba? Sa mga kapitbahay, sa mga kakilala? Then you can get started by giving samplers, by giving free promos and discounts. Pero at a limited time lang kasi ayaw mo namang malugi ka kagad dahil nagsisimula ka pa lang. So what I'm saying here is when you set up the goal na gusto mo to get started, be very specific. Alright? And then assess after 1 month, after 2 months. So maganda quarters. Assess and then begin there kung ano yung bestseller mo, ano yung effective na pagmamarketing mo to get started, and then para mapaikot mo ang puhunan mo. Alright? So, there you have it.